Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature 9 alluring short hairstyle ideas. So if you've been dreaming up your next haircut, this video is definitely for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these haircut ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have a beautiful copper colored pixie haircut. Followed by this beautiful ginger colored bob. And then we see a stunning pixie haircut. She has more of that classic Peter Pan pixie style. Followed by this bob haircut transformation. Gorgeous jaw length style blonde bob. And then we have more of that pixie style. Followed by this stunning bob haircut. And then we have another gorgeous bob. So if you guys do want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.